Hello, welcome to Do It Yourself channel. Today I will show you how to unpair our device from Samsung Galaxy S22 Ultra. To unpair our Bluetooth device, we have to go to Settings, then Connections, Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, etc. here, and here we have our paired device. We can turn it off, but the device will be still on the list. So, to unpair it, we have to go to this little cog here, and here we have options. We can rename it, for example, or unpair. Yes, please. And our device is now unpaired. As you can see, there is no Bluetooth devices on our list. That's all. I hope this video was helpful to you. Please leave a like and subscribe. Have a nice day and see you in the next video. Goodbye.